guys, I'm Jess.
And I'm Krista.
We're at Urban Philly's third Friday event at Apollinaire.
Sponsored by Smirnoff.
It's a good crowd here tonight. Make sure you drink responsibly.
We're going to go have a good night.
Chad Merriweather here, marketing manager for Diageo. We got a special Urban Philly third Friday. We got DJ Scratch in the building, the 2010 Smirnoff Master Mix champion. He's here in town doing his thing tonight, third Friday. Again, Smirnoff. Everyone in the back, as you can see, is flowing with the Smirnoff cocktails. Listen to some great tunes. Scratch is in the building. It doesn't get much better. 70 degrees on a March night.
Take your time, take your time, take your sexy time. Don't lose your head, lose your head. Your beauty's deep inside you. Don't let them bring you down, no. The beauty is inside.